Lila, come on up. Yay! Okay, so today's video we have Delilah, the last beater box we had Kuma. Yeah, she's a sweetie. Anyway, Delilah is gonna be opening up today's beater box with us. This one is $1,350, and I'm hoping she brings the good luck, man, because that last beater box with Kuma, the 875, wasn't that great. If you guys didn't look at that video yet, you guys can check it out over here. I know we're gonna get into this 1350 box real quick, but I do want to let you guys know that we also have a $4,000 box coming in. I'll talk about that more at the end of this video though. $4,000. This one's $1,350. Let's get to this first though. Anyway, stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, and Delilah coming at you with another video. In this video, okay, Delilah, down girl. Down, Delilah. Thanks, baby. We are going over a 1350 box. However, before we get into this unboxing, I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. You guys love that minimalistic jewelry look from Rose Gold and Black. And today I'm rocking dual bracelets from RG&B. You guys can check that out. Beaded bracelet over here. And we also have this other bracelet up here. You guys have seen me wear the necklaces a lot, but the bracelets are also very hype. And again, the prices are very good for these things. That's why I love it, man. Can't beat these prices. Honestly, if you guys go to like a jewelry company, you guys look for like comparable stuff like at your local mall, it's gonna come out to hundreds and hundreds of dollars. But when you go to Rose Gold and Black, you do get great prices and even greater discounts if you guys use the link in the description. It does take you guys to Rose Gold and Black, where you get 30% off your purchase now, not 25, 30% now for all of your purchases on there. Highly recommend you guys check them out. Very dope company, man. Anyway, let's get into this box. $1,350. Interesting. So we only have 6 shoes in here. That's kind of disconcerting. And the first shoe that we have out is a thing I've never seen before. What is this? KD box, KD 8. KD 8 in a size 14. I'm guessing these are a pair of like Ant Pearl, the Ant Pearl series from KD. The Ant Pearl series is very well known for being like the pink shoe that KD brings out like almost every single release for his sneakers. You guys can see over here it has the logo for breast cancer awareness. Ant Pearl was KD's aunt, very supportive of him in his basketball career. The shoe itself, pretty clean condition. It is obviously used, you guys saw that. But yeah, size 14. If you guys need this, it will be on the web store, untiedhawaii.com. I believe that there's decent resale value on these things because it is like a limited collab, and because I think a lot of people just dig the story that KD has with those shoes. So I think it's dope. Woo, this is an interesting one. I like this box so far, guys. Check this out. Another unique Jordan box. This one says Supreme over the top with that jump, man. This one is in a size 14 though. A lot of bigger sizes, unfortunately. Okay, and we got a pair of the Jordan 5 Supremes. This one is in that desert camel colorway. Check this thing out though. Solid condition. Very lightly worn bottoms, you guys can see right there. And the uppers are very clean. One thing that I've noticed with this pair is that it can stain pretty easily, but this one doesn't look like it has any stains, which is nice. You guys can see that Supreme branding on the tongue right here. Also says Supreme running through the netting right here. I think this is the best colorway out of all of like the Supreme Jordan 5s. They had 2 other colorways as well. Very clean sneaker and in very solid condition. So if you guys are 14 and you guys want these, check it out. Next shoe out, we have a, what is this? Vapor Max box. Vapor Max Glacy in a size 9.5. What in the F is this thing, bruh? What is this? Have you guys seen this before? Vapor Max edition. I don't know what's up with this like upper. I've never seen this design. I'm not big on Vapor Max. I said it in a video. I don't like the comfort of them, but this one looks like it's in dead stock condition. Clearly, I mean, the bottoms are very white, and shoes factory lace still. But what is with this pattern, dude? This design is very strange. I'm not a big fan of this at all. Yeah, I don't know if this is a collab shoe or something special, but I haven't seen Vapor Max that look like this before. So whatever this is, it is in dead stock condition, size 9.5. I'm actually really digging this box. The reason why is because even though there's 6 shoes only, they are all high value shoes, it seems like. So check these out. Yeezy box, Yeezy 350, size 14 though. Ooh, okay. And this one is a pair of the Yeezy Oreos. So check this one out. You guys can see here why it's called an Oreo. It's got like that cream filling in the middle and Oreo cookies on the top. But yeah, you can see on the insole right here, still says Adidas Yeezy on the inside, which shows that it wasn't worn very much. The boost down here is worn, I mean, obviously, but not super bad. And the upper is perfectly clean. The Yeezy Oreos, I believe they're going for like maybe $300-400 bucks. Most of the 350 models from like this era, they've gone down in value, which is very surprising. I thought Yeezy hype was coming back, but it's not looking like it, at least for used shoes. So about $300-400 bucks, I'm guessing here. Next shoe out is a size 14 again, man. Okay, if you're size 14, you are in luck today. Ooh, okay. And this one is a pair of the infrareds from the Black Friday drop. So last beater box we saw, I believe, the coppers. This one is the infrareds, or called the red stripes. Released on Black Friday, one of the most limited sneakers for the Yeezy line. This one is used, bottom's dirtied, the tag just fell out there too. Upper's perfectly fine though, and you guys can see again the insole's pretty clean, so it hasn't been worn too much. These ones I believe have pretty decent value though. I think they're going for maybe $400 or $500 now, so better than the Oreos, but still not as like high as you would expect for a Yeezy. Seriously though, a lot of size 14s, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 size 14s, and I'm wondering if this one is also a 14. I don't think it is though. It is an old school Yeezy box, and this one is in the size 9. Okay. What color do we have? Ooh, okay. So we have a pair of the Pirate Black Yeezy 350s V1s. Super clean upper, man. This almost looks dead stock up here. But when I turn it over, you guys can see that the bottoms are lightly worn, maybe worn twice. Very slight brown on the boost up here, and the inside looks great. Good pair of shoes. Anyway, surprisingly guys, that is it for this box. Literally only 6 sneakers, but I like boxes like this because they were only hype sneakers. We got 1 Supreme Jordan hype, and then 3 Yeezys, and then that Vapor Max and the Ant Pearls. So I think that's pretty solid value. It's easy to move shoes. I love boxes like this. This is very good. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This was a very fun video, very quick video, but enjoyed it nonetheless. A lot of cool stuff in here, and I guess I can't get away from telling you guys about the $4,000 box and then not describing like what I'm doing. So I went on Twitter and I said that if this post right here gets 500 combined likes and retweets, I would buy a $4,000 box. As of when I'm filming this video, it has about 11 or 1,200 combined likes and retweets. I bought the box, guys. I bought the box. $4,000, $4,000 box. The highest box that we've had previously, $3,250. This one smashes that, $4 grand. That's no joke, man. $4 grand on mystery sneakers. I hope that we have a come up on that box. That one will be the next box you guys see on this channel though, so stay tuned for that, man. You do not want to miss that $4,000 box. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this box. Hope you guys liked the video. Hit like down below if you guys are excited for that $4,000 box. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. And until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoot.